Causes of outside tire wear. 1. Exceedingly positive front camber. A camber measurement describes the inward, outward tilt of a vehicle's tires, as compared to a vertical axis. Excessive camber of any type can lead to irregular tire wear. This is most often observed as premature inner, outer edge tire wear. In the case of noticeable outer edge tire wear, exceedingly positive camber is often to blame. In the bulk of cases, this condition can be corrected with a simple alignment. However, one might also wish to rotate their tires as well, to even out any irregular wear over the course of time. 2. Underinflation wear. An underinflated tire will begin to exhibit accelerated wear along the outside edges of its tread, in relatively short order. This is due to the fact that the outer shoulder of a tire's tread is under additional stress when operated in an underinflated state. Likewise, the inside edge of an underinflated tire will also typically show signs of accelerated wear. This condition can be corrected by properly inflating your tires to the pressure specified by your vehicle's manufacturer and taking necessary precautions to prevent dry rot. 3. Suspension component wear. In certain instances, worn suspension components can also cause a vehicle's tires to wear excessively along the edges of their tread. As a general rule, suspension-related wear is typically observed as cupping or scalloping within a tire's tread pattern. This type of wear often makes a tire appear as if its tread is peeling off in a set pattern. Though wear of this type affects most tires in their entirety, it often first becomes noticeable along the outer edge of a tire's tread pattern. Fixing wear of this type typically necessitates the replacement of any worn or otherwise compromised suspension components, such as a vehicle's shocks and struts. 4. Incorrect toe adjustment. A toe measurement stipulates the inward, outward angle of a vehicle's front or rear tires, as observed on a horizontal axis. Improperly adjusted toe can lead to numerous issues, including irregular or accelerated tire wear. In many cases, this wear is most often observed along a tire's edge. To correct this condition, a vehicle will need to be aligned by qualified personnel to prevent further wear. Additionally, it is advised to rotate the affected vehicle's tires, assuming that they are not worn to the point of replacement. One might also wish to inspect their vehicle's front end for signs of wear, if an incorrect toe is isolated as the source of irregular tire wear. 5. Component damage. Irregular tire wear of any type can be caused by damage to one or more of a vehicle's critical steering or suspension components. This damage is most often caused by a collision. No matter the severity, even striking a curb at speed can cause substantial damage to a vehicle's steering and suspension components, under certain circumstances. Damage to a vehicle's steering and suspension components can also result from towing excessive weight on a trailer, regular off-road driving, or prior improper installation of front-end parts. No matter the cause, any compromised steering and/or suspension components must be replaced before tire wear will return to normal. Additionally, when replacing components of this type, a front-end alignment might also be necessitated.